In this tutorial, we're going to show you how to get started with the MobileMoxie App Rankalyzer. You can see we've already gone to the tool itself where you can choose the tab up at the top or over here in the sidebar navigation. You'll also see that it does have the beta tag because it is in that phase. So if you have any problems along the way, let us know. We'd be happy to look into it and get things fixed. So the main functionality behind this tool is adding mobile applications that are correlated with App Store keywords and tracking where those specific apps rank for that keyword within the Google Play and the App Stores. So you can see that this account itself has already a bunch of chat apps added to the dashboard here and also a bunch of keywords already. If you were starting fresh, you wouldn't see all of these apps or the keywords. So you can go ahead by clicking the Add Mobile Application button, choosing an app name, whether it was Snapchat, the app ID, which we would actually pull from the URL string for the Google Play or iOS app stores, and then we would select that store. Since we have a bunch of apps already, we won't do that this time. And for the App Store keywords, we can choose to add one at a time. So you will select the country, you'll select the language, and you'll select which app it belongs to that you've added. Or you can do so by adding a CSV and uploading that. I would highly suggest downloading our sample CSV to make sure your formatting is right when uploading that and make sure everything is being processed correctly. So since we've already gone ahead and added a bunch of apps and App Store keywords, we could refer over to the app category tracking if we were looking to see where we were ranking within different countries and categories within the App Store. Soon we'll have the Google Play Store as well. So since one of our apps is the WhatsApp app for Android and iOS, we can see that in the United Kingdom, WhatsApp is ranking number 1, while we chose Italy as well, and it is not ranking within the top 5. So this just provides some more insight into where you're ranking within the top 5, especially in different countries for different categories. And you can easily change categories as well as the top 20 or so countries. So below here, as you can see, your search term added for which country, for which store, with language, and that specific app. You can see when you first added that specific keyword, and then you can see where within the top 100, if you are within the top 100, your specific keyword is ranking for that app. You can also use this to track competitors to see where that keyword is ranking for your competitor. This is handy because you can see this over time and you can change filters to view this on a daily or weekly or monthly basis. And on a day-to-day basis, you will see changes. While we're looking at a weekly view currently, you can see that February 22nd, the message keyword for the Slack iOS app was ranking 68th. And then the following week, it increased by 2 spots, by 1 spot the following week, and then back down 1 spot. So this is just an easy way to see where you're ranking for that keyword or where a competitor's ranking for that keyword over time. And you can change the date range so you can see a bunch more dates, etc. Additionally, you can, by selecting any of these keywords, if you want to view these on a graph, these numbered positions on a graph, you can add to graph, which would appear something like this. We've already added some of these keywords to the graph. Again, if you are outside the top 100, we will not return a specific number to you, and it'll just say out, as you can see up here back in the data. So you can add and remove to the graph. You can select every single keyword that you have, and you can export these to Google Sheets to get a better view, or you can export to a CSV as well. By exporting to the Google Sheet or the CSV, you'll be able to manipulate this data more easily and play with it and report on it to clients or to your internal teams. That is the basic functionality behind your App Rankalyzer.